We're going to start with a quick unboxing of the Magic grips for the Magic Mouse. You can kind of see them on the mouse there. On the back here, you can kind of see how it fills in and what it does, how it gives you that grip around the Magic Mouse, makes it more comfortable. So let's unbox it just to take a quick look at them and what comes in the box. And then we will take a look at them on the mouse itself. So there you go. Standard. Oh, I see. It's got the standard, and then it has an optional thicker thumb grip. So you get both in case you want a thicker thumb grip. You can put that on there. But the standard grips are here. It includes the alcohol pad in order to clean your mouse before you stick these on so that they will stick well. Packaged very, very nicely. Yeah, here's what comes in the box. So now I'm going to install them and try them out. Alright, so I have my Magic Mouse here, and I have the pads here. Now I'm going to start with just the standard pads. If I decide later I want to use this thicker thumb pad, then I'll change it. But to start, I think I'm just going to use the regular ones because I think that'll be fine for me. So I've got these two set out here. And according to the instructions, you clean it first to make sure it's free of dust. Then you peel off the adhesive, and then you line them up, and then you push them down. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to turn this over. Got this little alcohol swab that they included with it to make sure that this is clean and free of dust so that it sticks well. Get both sides there. It's alcohol swabs. It's not going to mess anything up or interfere with the mouse. And alcohol, of course, evaporates really quickly so that you can then continue on with the process. And I have a glasses cleaner here. I'm going to go back over it with the glasses cleaner just to really make sure. If you have a glass cleaning cloth, I would recommend doing that after the alcohol, just like you would with glasses. And yeah, so now we are good to go. So you can see it goes on like so. It goes against like that. So I'm going to peel this adhesive off. Not peel the adhesive off, but the adhesive backing. I'm sure you gathered that's what I meant. So now I'm going to line this up. Make sure it's like right in the center there. I think that's actually pretty good. I think that's right in the center. And then push it against it, and then push it down. And it's supposed to go right up against that rubber. And it is curved so that it should go right in line there, like that. And then I'm going to do the other side. And there you go. You can see it doesn't interfere with anything up top. Doesn't interfere with clicking of the mouse. And I'm going to let that adhesive sit on there and bond for a little bit before I actually put it to use. But I will put it to use and let you see it in action and then give my final thoughts and review on it. So I've been using the Magic Mouse with the pads on there, and it works great. I love it. It's a much better grip than it was without them. It just gives it a little bit more of the feeling like a regular mouse as far as gripping on the sides. It doesn't get in the way at all. The pads being on there, they do not in any way interfere with the rubber bars that are built into it. They don't slow it down, they don't keep it from moving. It moves just as smooth as it always did. you just have the grip on both sides. So now when I grip it, my thumb has a place to go and my pinky finger has a place to go so that I can grip it good. Still have full access to all the touch gestures and things that are on the top of the mouse, and the mouse is just like normal, except it's much easier to hold. I thought about getting the bump thing that goes on here. People make those too, but with these, I don't think I need that. I think with these, I'm able to hold it well and comfortably, and I love them. I think they work great. If you have a Magic Mouse, I think it's a no-brainer. I would highly recommend you get the Magic Grips. They really make the mouse better and fix design flaws by the brilliant Apple engineers who sometimes make really amazingly brilliant stuff and then overlook the most obvious thing. And one of those is just, you know, you want something that you can hold comfortably in a mouse. It needs to fit your hand. And as it was on its own, it didn't. But with the Magic Grips, it does. So if you have a Magic Mouse and you're looking for something to make it a little bit easier to hold and use, then I would definitely recommend the Magic Grips. And that is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, post them down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.